Hello everyone and welcome to Google Search Ad course from beginner to expert. My name is Akhil Pillai and in today's lesson I'll be giving you a brief introduction on Google Ads. The first thing that we're going to discuss is the overview of Google Ads because that should be clear to you. So Google Ads, or formerly known as Google AdWords, is an online advertising platform, which is developed by Google where advertisers pay to display advertisements, service offerings, product listing, video contents, and generate mobile application installs within the Google Ad network. This is really important to understand because Google advertising has evolved into Alphabet's main source of revenue. For people who don't know, Alphabet is the parent company of Google. When I say Alphabet's main source of revenue, which is through Google Ads, you have to understand how important Google Ads is for everyone, not only for the advertisers, but for the people who are advertising on their websites. So it gives the opportunity not only for the websites owners, but also for the advertisers to promote products. So that was all for the overview. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using Google Ads, right? So the first thing would always be targeting your ads. Targeting gives you the ability to show your ads to reach to people with specific interests, namely people who are interested in your product and services, and show relevant ads. Google Ads offers different ways of targeting. For example, you can target your ads on the basis of keywords, ad location, age, location of the customer, and language. You can also make sure that your ads are shown during certain days, certain time, and frequency. You can also target on the basis of your device your customers are using. So that gives an immense opportunity for the advertiser to get that relevant data. So with Google Ads, you can actually see how many people saw your ads, what age bracket they are in, what is their gender, what was the specific location, what was the specific time. So this data gives you an immense opportunity to understand your customers and do alterations to your campaign. PPC or pay-per-click pricing model is the primary way Google advertises itself. Now, the best thing about PPC is you only pay for the click. So let's say I'll take the example of billboard again. When you got that billboard, obviously you paid a certain amount, right? But you don't know if that is going to work out, right? But when it comes to Google Ads, you're only paying when someone is clicking on your ad. So that gives an immense opportunity for getting higher return on investment, right? So you can choose how much you can spend per month, per day, and per ad. You'll only pay when someone is clicking on your ad. Google Ads is always faster than SEO. It's important to understand that ranking on Google is done through SEO. If you want to rank first on Google, you have to make sure that you're invested a lot in your SEO. SEO takes time and it takes a lot of devotion. But you can beat that competition by coming on the first of the page using Google Ads. The next thing that we're going to discuss is measuring your ads. With Google Ads, if someone clicked on your ad, you will know. If they clicked your ad and then did something valuable to your business, let's say purchase your product, downloaded your app, or phoned in for an order, right? You can track that. By seeing which ad gets clicks and which don't, you can also quickly see where to invest more, right? So that in turn can boost the return on your investment. Now, coming to the next part. Where do these ads appear? I'll quickly go on to Google Ads dashboard to give you a better understanding. So there are 5 types of campaigns or places where your ads can appear. They are namely search ads, display ads, shopping ads, video ads, and app install. So I'll go through one by one and also give you an example. Now, search ad is used to reach out to your customers who are really interested and are constantly searching for it on Google Search Network. Now, I'll give you an example. If you'll search for a particular service or a product on Google, you will see these kind of ads, right? So these ads are known as search ad, and this is what we are gonna learn, right? Now moving on. The second type of ad is display ads, and these ads run across the web on different websites, on Google partnered websites, and Google has approximately 2 million websites on the Google Display Network, reaches to about 90% people on the internet. So I'll give you a quick example. This is a Google partnered website, right? And as you can see here, this is one advertisement, this is one advertisement, and this is another. These advertisements are known as Google Display Network. Now the next type of campaign is known as shopping campaign. Through shopping campaign, you can promote your products on Google. Now I'll quickly give you an example. So if you're searching for any product on Google, for this instance I had searched for black shirt. On the right hand side you will see the sponsored ads. These are known as Google shopping ads. Now the next type of advertisement that we're going to talk about is video ads. These type of video ads normally appear on YouTube, which Google acquired in 2006, and from then it became commercialized. Whenever you will be seeing a particular video, Google is going to make sure that it shows that in-stream video before, in between, or after the video ends. So for this instance, this is an advertisement where I was seeing a particular video, right? So these are known as video ads. The last type of advertisement is app installs. These type of advertisements are for app installs, right? Now, how do these ads appear? Whenever you will be searching for a particular keyword or a search query on Google, these ads will appear. Google Ads works on an auction system which takes place every time a user performs a search, right? So to win in the AdWord auctions and to see your Google advertisement appear for relevant keywords, you'll need to optimize your quality score and bid amount, right? Now what is quality score? Quality score is a scale which is used by Google to rank your advertisement on the scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Now the higher your quality score, the better your ads will be positioned on Google. Suppose you have a quality score of 8 and the maximum amount that you are ready to pay for a click is $5, right? And the competition next to you has a quality score of 6 and the maximum amount that he is ready to pay is 3, right? So what happens is, if you have a better quality score, Google is going to reward you. You have a good quality score, but he doesn't have a good quality score. So what happens is, Google makes sure that it rewards you by lowering your maximum bid. For this instant, Google will make sure that your maximum bid doesn't cross $3.10, right? So this is how Google rewards you, and that is why having good quality score is really important. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any doubts or if you have a feedback, leave it in the comment. I'll make sure to respond to it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.